Yeah, so got Nissan Qashqai 2015 for Mr. Louis. Mr. Louis, say hello.
Hello.
Hello to the camera.
Yeah.
We're going to do a service reset on it. It's quite simple on these. The newer ones have a different interface here, but it's fine, doesn't really matter. We're going to use these skulls. You're going to use this to go up and down to get the settings menu. When my camera goes into focus, yeah, there we go. So find the settings menu, press enter. You're just going to press this button to press enter. Press enter. Scroll down to maintenance, press enter, press service. Oh, this is still Louis, this is still got miles. It doesn't need resetting. You don't need to reset it right now. So this particular vehicle doesn't need a reset really. So I'll just stay at the moment. Go back. You can do a service reset from here. Reset. Enter. Reset done. Yep. Go back. Check everything else. Back. Service. Yes. Excellent. That's service reset done. Everything's been reset on this. Simple. Press back, turn the car off, start again. Excellent.